This is the Philips Norelco Series 3000 wet dry shaver. It's a good shaver, but what's happening is when I open up this, all of the blades fall apart. So if your razor is doing this when you open it, first I thought maybe the plastic retainer broke, but I'm going to show you how to put it back together. First, take the blade covers and put them in each one of the holes. Then take the blade itself and the little legs go down. Center them in there. And the blade center on this little rise right here, that little shaft that's rising there is what helps to center the blades. What you're doing is taking this retainer, and there's a shaft that goes right in the middle right here. You can't probably hardly see it sticking up right here. But you get that on the shaft, and then turn this black, almost like a switch or wheel here, just turn it clockwise a little bit, and then it locks it in place and it won't fall out again. It's a good razor. The only problem I had was the blades falling out, and I finally figured out how to get them back together. I do recommend this razor, basically because it's a wet dry, so you can use it with shaving cream, or you can use it dry if you want to.